Now, Andhra Pradesh has signed 4 new agreements with Australia covering solar manufacturing to student mental health, deepening a partnership that started with a visit just 10 months ago. And the signing brought Australia's Assistant Minister Julian Hill to the state in person alongside Andhra Pradesh's Education Minister Nara Lokesh. Now, before we get into the main development, a quick note as always, yes, that 82% number which is haunting us on front page, which is the fact that our viewers who haven't subscribed yet still continues to haunt us. So, well, it's very kind of you if you appreciate the content and the in-depth analysis that we try to bring to you on a daily basis. When you like, share, subscribe, truly motivates us. So thank you so much. Very, very kind of you in terms of your support. And now for the details. First, a solar manufacturing center of excellence at IIT Tirupati, which is of course linking Andhra Pradesh's Center of Excellence for Energy Transition, IIT Tirupati, and Sydney's UNSW. Second, an inclusive education MOU between UNSW, Shri Padmavati Mahila Viswavidyalayam and AP's Samagra Siksha program, training teachers for children with autism and other neurodiverse learning needs. Then we have number 3, which is a student well-being project where Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education partners with Australian company Rebound on a free virtual counselling pilot. And then finally, at number 4, a skilling MOU between Andhra Pradesh's State Skill Development Corporation and Australia's Dynamic Learning Services aimed at international career pathways. All 4 trace back actually to Nara Lokesh's own visit to Australia last October. Now, as we finish this segment, a post has surfaced from the Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority's account claiming a 5th, which is a separate MOU with the University of Melbourne covering quantum technologies and biotechnology, billed as a boost to the Amravati Quantum Valley project. Honestly, that is a true shot in the arm apart from all the other wonderful 4 MOUs, but I believe this one shall truly go ahead and accelerate that very development that we are seeing in Amravati, and it is so important to the quantum project. But then those are my thoughts. Getting back, we haven't been able to actually independently confirm that as yet, but we are all wishing that it is happening. There's no statement from the Andhra Pradesh government, Nara Lokesh's office, or for that matter, the University of Melbourne, as we are recording this. So yes, I'm just making sure that all the facts and figures are clear, but my enthusiasm still remains. Of course, worth flagging is the fact that Melbourne did sign a confirmed deal last month with Tamil Nadu on quantum computing and agri-tech. So we are being, well, very careful not to mix the two up. We'll, well, of course, bring a confirmed update once one actually comes to life. Well, this actually, if you understand it very, very minutely, fits a pattern, which is that Andhra Pradesh's government has leaned into all year. 7 AI and quantum agreements in February, a Microsoft skilling MOU in March, and now this wonderful batch with Australia. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, the real test isn't the signing ceremony, no. It's whether these programs are still running when someone checks back in 2 or 3 years, or for that matter, even the other MOUs which have been signed, the 7 of those. Well, that's the point, which of course brings us to the question. With Andhra Pradesh now averaging roughly 1 high-profile MOU a month, the question is the state building a genuinely deep global partnership network, or is signing agreements becoming, well, the achievement itself? Honestly, what are your thoughts in the comments below? Given the fact that the way the entire state has been progressing and it has actually positioned itself and it prides itself on the entire aspect of speed of doing business, never know if all of these MOUs are already not under the works when it comes to their realization. But then, well, those are just my thoughts. What are yours? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.